Welcome to my YouTube channel. Understanding health, understanding healthy foods, the lies that we have been told from when we were a child with the food pyramid that is linked to the industries, to the agriculture that is destroying everything. The agriculture is having monocropping fields that is depleting the soil, is drying out the soil. We need to look at nature. What nature has learned us. A forest is a mixture of trees, and that is how we need to plant on the fields. A mixture of vegetables, not just one potato field that doesn't work. Then we are surprised we need to use chemicals. So today we are talking about how the industries, dairy industry, meat industry, agriculture, were lying to us, who wanted to have money benefits from telling lies to us. So think about the logic. If you eat meat, meat has proteins. So all these people who are having questions, where do you get your protein? Where do you get your protein? That is because those people are brainwashed by that protein thing. We don't need proteins. We need amino acids. So there you have the logic. When we eat meat, meat has protein. The body needs to convert it into amino acids. Meat has, after baking, frying, cooking, 25% water maximum. Our elimination, or the stool, is 75%. So the body gonna take 50% water to make pus. The meat can also stick into the small intestine walls for the rest of your life, and that is about 0.10 grams per meal, because the meat is missing 50% of water for the digestion. It's gonna make the blood acidic. So now we're gonna think about the fruits. The fruits have amino acids. So the amino acids can go quickly into the cells. What do you think with the meat, that when the body first need to change the protein into amino acids? That's a lot of work. Why do you give your body so much work? Make it easy for your body. You have only one body. Take care of it. The other unlogical thing is the complex carbs. The complex carbs are bread, spaghetti, potatoes. So the body cannot get it into the cells without changing the complex carbs. The body need to convert it again to simple sugars. So the simple sugars, they go very quickly into the cell. But what you think, what how much work your body has to convert the complex carbs into the simple sugars. And then when the body is doing all that work to convert the meat into amino acids, to convert the complex carbs into simple sugars, then we are surprised that we get sick. Love your body because the fruit is alkalizing your body. The meat is making acids. The protein is making acids. So when we eat the human species specific diet, the fruits and the soft lettuce, then we get a lot of water. Then we really hydrate. Because think about when you eat 3 fruit meals in a day, you're going to get 7-8 liters of water into your system. When you eat cooked foods that are dehydrating you every meal because they are missing 50% of water to make the elimination. So how does this gonna end after doing this years and years? Well, you're gonna end as a stiff and crippled person when you are old with much wrinkles. You will have maybe ear problems, you will have maybe sight problems, you need glasses. It's all dehydration. You need to understand that they mislead us to have money profit. They don't care about you. You need to care about yourself. And you need to educate yourself. You need to do the right research. You don't need to do this the whole time and not talking to other people, just like most of people doing the whole day on the train and the bus with that mobile phone, and finally not finding what they need to find, the truth. That is why the world is loco or crazy. There is no logic anymore. Meat is causing deforestation because you cannot have cowland without cutting the trees. Coffee is neurotoxic because it destroys tomato plants when you grow tomato plants after having coffee plants. It's a neurotoxin. You want that in your body? The coffee plants, they need to grow on a land. So first people need to cut the forest to make a land to grow coffee plants. Same thing with the rice. The north of Guanacaste, Costa Rica, full of rice fields, everywhere deforestation, because before it was forest, it's all cut to grow that rice. And then they grow the mono rice fields, and then they get into climate problems. It's crazy. Why do you think that rice is better, that rice is giving you more nutrients, or why do you think that meat is giving you more nutrients when the body is need to do so much work to get it in the cell? That you are clogging up yourself with mucus, pus. That's not, that there is no logic in that. You need to believe in the Rastaman. The Rastaman has done a lot of study the last 26 years. So the Rastaman knows it better than anyone who is doing 5 to 10 years, like a nurse or a doctor. I don't know exactly how much, but they don't study on healthy food. They study on this medicine is for this disease, that medicine is for that disease. So that is what they learn. But they don't know how to go to the root of the disease. And that is the unnatural human food. Jah Rastafari. Peace and blessings and love. You need it.